Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I want to show you how you can creating the Tripad Studio Controller. I designed this Tripad Studio Controller from scratch, from the schematic diagram. Here you see this is schematic diagram, this one is the PCB layout, and so after I sent this one to the JLCPCB. Of course, this is a video sponsored by JLCPCB. The full project box from JLCPCB, as you see, the light open it, and then I see the everything. You see how is, I look there how the schematic diagram from it's look nice, and then I check everything. I try to control to using encoder to check how the PCB is and check button. And the second thing, I was designing the enclosure and all the cell using a FreeCAD. You see our project, we're using ESP2 AC3 mini because we need to control the our tripod, say the Tripad Studio Controller, because we need to use this one in the streaming video. So you can using the Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, only using the USB, just to connecting to the USB. And so that one I say like which USB I can use, and then I chose to use this ESP, and I was using the writing the RGB right. This one is K6812. This one is popular RGB you can use. This one is part for the USB, this one is part for the voltage regulator. This one is a low voltage regulator. So and this one is the memory, and here again, and you see this button, the boot button and the reset button. And here how the part is one is part for the encoder 3D. You see I was using the 3 encoder, as you see here was using 3 encoder and the 9 button to controlling, like I say, like let me control this one. There's 3 line, this one 3 1, for example have 3 camera. This one is supposed to be plus volume, incrementing volume, decrementing volume. This one is supposed to be pause or something like that. This one you pause, next, so record, starting record, stop, something like that. So you can program it as you wish. So for me, I choose like this one. I think the see here, see how it look like the in the bottom side, as I show you in the real picture of the receiving the PCB. So on this video I don't need to talk too much, and I'll show you main thing on this video is so the next video I will show you how the project is running. So I show you how I receiving the PCB. So I program it, then next I will show you how it's lying. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you think this project is important, and don't forget to go to the OLC lab, and you can find my project here. Let me show you the here OLC competition here. You see there is a lot of projects here. Many people they are putting their project. You can come here and then find it. My project is here. Where is my project? I don't find it. Sure. Yeah, this is my project. So don't forget, you can go here and you can find. You can read the description. You can get everything. The schematic diagram. You can downloading the JBL file if you want to do it again. It's free, and then you can downloading the 3D set. Everything is here, and the next I will show you I will on the second video I will send you the package of the coding. So I think this one is very important on the first video. So don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.